In this video, I am going to show you how to find the right generator for your state. The first thing you do is open Lottery Post and go to the results page for your state, and you want to select past results for your game, pick 3, 4 or 5. Next, you want to count back 4 days and find the day or midday draw. Enter it into the generator. We will start our test with the 317 generator. Now what we want to do is, after the grid is generated, we want to enter each number from Lottery Post. That will tell you if that generator is working for your state. Let's take a deeper look. Enter 088 in the generator and click Generate. Let's go up the list to see how many times each winning combination came out based on the previous draw of 088, starting with 152. We can see that 152 shows 4 times in the grid. 898 shows up 12 times in the number grid. 723 shows up 6 times in the number grid. 288 shows up 8 times. 106 shows up 4 times. 902 shows up 10 times in the grid. Now, switch generators. Up to this point, we have been using the 317 generator. Let's try the 123 generator to see how many times the same numbers show up. Enter 088 in again as the previous draw and generate the rundown. Okay, let's go through the list again. Enter 152 in the search. We see that 152 shows 10 results in the rundown. We see that 898 shows up with 4 results using this rundown. 723 has 6 results using this rundown. 288 is not in this rundown, but that's okay. We see that 106 shows up 10 times. And 902 shows up 6 times. Now we will try the same workout in the 291 generator. Again, let's start with our previous draw of 088. 152 has 10 results. 898 has 16 results. 723 has 6 results. 288 shows 14 results. Wow! 106 shows a whopping 16 results. Wow! And 902 shows 8 results. So what we can see here is that by using different generators to research which generator to use for your state, you just need to take the last 4 results and enter the previous draw. Then enter each winning draw in the search. This will show you which generator is currently working in your state. Be sure to comment, like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this. Good luck, and we'll see you on the other side.